Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF and microwave update. We're here at IMS 2016 in San Francisco. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm here with my partner, Gary Lerude.
Hello.
It's been an action-filled week at IMS 2016. A lot of expected territory in the 5G IoT area,
right,
but also a lot of information on NewSpace and the satellite market. Also, RF Energy is really catching on with a lot of the partner companies that are part of the RF Energy Alliance. So we've seen a lot of activity in those areas. On the test and measurement side, Keysight and National Instruments released the 802.11ax standard solution.
Right.
So they're keeping up the WLAN series as they go higher and higher in frequency and also broader in bandwidth.
And I think that's supposed to be, what, 10 gigabit per second?
Yeah.
Wireless?
Yep. So we're really seeing some high-speed things on the territory of 5G almost.
Right.
And then also I see a trend in the area of semiconductor technology, very highly integrated silicon solutions typically. We had a mmWave with a core chip release at 28 gigahertz,
right,
a Rallis with a 94 gigahertz core chip. And we also see some offerings from Peregrine and some of the global foundries partners. So a lot of activity in that area. Software-defined radio on chip is another one. What did you see?
So kind of tagging onto that, you know, a lot of links. Broadcom had their 60 gigahertz mesh network they're talking about. They had a two-chip solution, the transceiver, and then kind of the baseband.
Right.
We also saw the demonstration at Analog Devices of their E-band link, where they're getting 10 gigabit per second throughput.
Yeah, and they had the whole reference design, including the modem.
Right, so a lot of work in that area. It looks like the whole, at least from a backhaul standpoint, that whole 60 gigahertz and E-band stuff is coming to fruition. Then it was interesting, we saw a couple of those solid-state microwave ovens.
Yes.
You know, MACOM had one in their booth with a GaN power amp, and I think we saw the same in the Amplion booth, but of course it had more of an LDMOS power amp. And I wonder if we did a side-by-side taste test of two muffins, if a GaN cooked muffin would be different than an LDMOS cooked muffin.
We'll have to do that.
Yeah, we should set that up for a future episode. So a lot of things, it's hard to pick just one thing. It was interesting also at Broadcom, they're now, for carrier aggregation, doing a hexaband filter that they were demonstrating here. So it's quite amazing the complexity that's going into the phone now.
Amazing stuff.
Yeah.
There was a Wireless Wonders display, and they had a virtual reality demo. So there's a lot of good interactive things going on in the show floor, which helped out, I think, keep everybody entertained and interested. But other than that, any other observations?
Well, I think certainly on the GaN front, it seems like more and more releases in GaN we're seeing across the board from all the companies, both in the infrastructure market as well as the traditional aerospace and defense market. And it looks like there's some real traction in infrastructure now in GaN.
Yeah. They're finally getting the costs down as they get larger wafer sizes and cheaper starting materials.
Right. Overall, I think the industry seems to be pretty upbeat this year. I think the most negative thing I heard was maybe the defense market is kind of flat right now.
Yeah. Well, San Francisco's a great location to have it in, so.
Yeah.
Next year, move on to Honolulu, though.
That's right. We'll have to get our lays.
Yes. We could do another beach shot, so we'll plan on doing that.
Exactly. Well, good luck on this final day, and hopefully we'll make it through it with our feet still intact.
Hopefully.
So we want to thank you for watching this episode of Frequency Matters, and we want to thank our sponsors who make it possible, Mini Circuits and Analog Devices. You can find out more about Mini Circuits products at their website, minicircuits.com, and about the Analog Devices product line at analog.com. Thanks for watching.